as you please, do as you will. Lord, use me. I'm available to you. Do as you please, and do as you will. Lord, use me. I'm available to you. Here I am. I lay my life down to see your plans fulfilled, to see your will fulfilled. Here I am. I give my dreams to you. I give my way and plans. I'm available, so do as you do as you will. And Lord, use me, 'cause I am available. Do as you please, do as you will. Lord, use me. Right now I am. So here I am. Oh Lord, I give my all to you, 'cause you gave your life to me when you died on Calvary. Here I am. And I surrender all to you. I place it in your hands. 'Cause so do as you please, and do as you will, Lord. Lord, I want you to use me. Right now I'm here to say, so do as you please, and Lord, do as you will, Jesus. Lord, use me, 'cause I am. Lord, do as you please, yeah. Lord, do as you will. Lord, use me, yeah. Lord, I'm saying I'm available. Lord, I place everything aside, Jesus, so I can focus on your will, oh Lord. Lord, I want you to use me, 'cause right now, oh Lord, right now, Father, I repent before you. Father, I place my soul in your hands. Only you can order my steps. Oh Lord, I depend on you and your will, Jesus. 'Cause right now,
I'm available. Here I am, Lord. You can use me. Here I am, Lord. You can use me. If you can use anything, Lord, use me. Yeah, yeah. Here we are, Lord. Here we are, Lord. Hey, we available to you. Available to you. Yeah. I'm available to you. Yeah. You can take my mind, Lord, and use it. Hey. You can take my will, Lord, you can use it. Yeah. You can take every part of me and use it. I'm available to you. Yeah. I surrender all, Jesus. Yeah. I surrender all to you, Jesus. I surrender all to you. I'm available to you. Say, oh, oh, I'm available to you. Gonna sing it one time. Oh, oh. I'm available to you. So do as you will in me. Do as you will through me. Do as you will. I'm available to you. Oh. Do as you will in me. And do as you will through me. Do as you will. I'm available to you. Can you help me say do as you will. Oh. Do as you will. Yeah, yeah. Do as you will. I'm available to you. Yes, do as you will. Do as you will. Do as you will, Lord. Do as you will. Do as you will, Lord. Do as you will. We are available. Yeah. Do as you will, God. Do as you will. Have your way through our lives, God. Do as you will. Hey, have your way in our lives, Jesus. We surrender. I'm available to you. Oh, do as you will. Hey, do as you will. Hey, do as you will. I'm available. Yeah, do as you will. Do as you will, Lord. Yeah, I'm available, Lord. I'm available. If you can use anything, Lord. If you can use anything, Lord. If you can use anything, Lord. I'm available. Yeah, do as you please. Do as you please. Hey, do as you please. We are available, Lord. We stand hands lifted and we say, do as you please. Oh, do as you please, Jesus. Hey, do as you please, Lord. I'm available to you. I'm available. Have your way. Have your way, Jesus. Oh, we give you right in our lives, Jesus. We are available to you. Lord, have your way. Lord, have your way. Oh, have your way. I'm available. Oh, oh, oh. I'm available to all to Jesus. We surrender all to Jesus. I'm available to you. All to Jesus. We surrender all to Jesus. I'm available to you. Can we sing that one time? All to Jesus. We surrender. All to Jesus. I surrender. Surrender. Sing all to Jesus. Yeah. All to Jesus.
I'm available to you.
May Isaiah 43 verse 2 from the Word of God remind you that when you pass through the waters, He shall be with you, and through the rivers, they shall not overflow you. When you walk through the fire, you shall not be burnt. As GS Funeral Parlor, we have been honored to lay your loved one to rest in glory.
GS Funeral Parlor. resting in God.
Blessed Savior, singing all to